Hello everybody. How everybody doing today? So, by request by one of my subscribers and one of the people who I truly love so dearly, I've been requested to stuff some catfish. Let's make that happen. Hey y'all, it is Cecilia's Way of Cooking. And so, the ingredients that you are going to see that are being displayed across the screen is what's going to go into making this stuffed catfish. And I didn't do like how anybody else did, though I do have spinach. I didn't want to open up an entire bag of spinach just to use a little bit to only do one fillet. And as y'all can see in the bowl, I neglected to mention some of the ingredients, which was cream cheese, some cooked turkey bacon bits, some scallion, and some crab. And I decided to add some mozzarella and some parmesan cheese and some of the seasoning that I added into my Greek yogurt marinated catfish fillet, as well as the homemade fish fry, as y'all can see right here. And here I am incorporating everything. Y'all, when I say I season the hell out of everything, I season the hell out of everything. And y'all are going to see at the end of the video, I decided to last minute make a hot honey lemon pepper sauce, which I'm happy I did. And y'all, this is going quick. Let me speed up. So I'm about to take my stuffing that I just mentioned. And y'all, I didn't want to overstuff it because I didn't want any of the filling to come out into the grease as I fry and burn. But y'all, once this come out of the grease, y'all are going to see it look like I just glued 2 fish fillets together and put it on the plate with some sauce. But y'all, I was scared. I'm not going to lie. I was scared that this was going to overflow. So from the looks of it, it looked like I piled a lot, but I didn't. And so y'all are going to also see once I'm done that I'm going to insert the toothpicks in. I used a total of 6 toothpicks, and there will be a taste test at the end of the video. So I got to remind myself not to talk too much during when it's almost that time. Here I am putting the other fillet on top, and I used canola oil to fry it in. I was going to use some old grease, but I'm just like, nah, it would make sense to use chicken grease to fry fish in it, though it would give it flavor, but I don't know. I didn't want to take that chance. And so again, it was my fillets were marinated in Greek yogurt and the seasoning that y'all seen in the very beginning. Here I am. I'm about to I'm about to insert the toothpicks into the fish, as y'all see. And don't mind the video being upside down. I didn't think it was going to do that. And so here I am. I'm putting it in the fish fry. And if you do have a request to see how I make my own homemade fish fry, put it down in the comment section below and let me know. Just let me know ahead of time, or, just remind me. But I want to be able to make it on the time when I have plans on frying fish again. And so it might be a while before I do fry any fish again. All right, here we go. I was testing my oil to see if it was hot enough, and I had my oil on a medium-high heat, but I eventually turned it down as soon as the fish went in, because I didn't want to burn my fish, nor did I want to burn my my filling. And so here we go. I'm putting the fish in the grease. Stuffed cat fillet. Okay, stuffed cat fillet. It's upside down. Don't mind that. All right, y'all. Y'all are gonna see me put this hot lemon pepper sauce on there. And the taste test is coming up soon. Here we go. I'm going to stop talking now. Okay, y'all. So this is about to be the taste test. I've never done anything like this. This is out of my comfort. I don't know what this is going to be like. I didn't even stuff it like how all of the other people did. I was just trying to use what I had in the house, which was a scallion, some turkey bacon. Y'all will know in the video, but here we go. I'm scared. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I am scared for my life. Oh yeah, I decided to last minute, if y'all saw in the video, if I don't mention it, I decided at last minute to make a honey lemon pepper sauce. Okay, y'all, it's some straight. Ooh, y'all, this smell good. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Ah! God dang it, it fell on me. I'm scared. Alright, y'all see that mozzarella? Okay, I'm excited. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This slap. I'm sorry if I'm smacking and stuff. See, turkey bacon. So I try to use what I can in the house. This is on point. To my subscriber, thank you for this request. Oh my God. I've never stuffed catfish. I've always just fried it as is. This slap. Oh my God. Oh, I can taste the crab. Yes. This is good. So y'all, I'm gonna finish this off because this is my dinner. And thank goodness that I did not have to come up with any ideas for dinner. And I still got some filling left over. I don't even know. I'll probably end up doing this again just to get rid of it. Or I could just throw it over some fries. I don't know yet. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And talk to y'all later. Oh, and if y'all have any more requests, put them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.